Hey, Sebastian.
So you're back on March 1st, right?
Yeah. Um, no, second actually, because it's a Monday. But yeah,
Yeah, makes sense. I guess it makes sense to just stop this meeting till March. I really was hoping that Paul could attend this meeting here, but
yeah,
that's really too late for him.
yeah. It'd probably be what is it, 10 or 11 p.m. for him now, maybe.
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah.
Too late. Definitely too late. So let's
Yeah. Like if nobody else is
basically,
around, and if everybody else can get onto the Monday one or the stand-ups or whatever, then it doesn't make sense to keep this meeting while I'm away.
yeah. It was mainly just for you and for Kiefer, but Kiefer right now, I really think that we don't need a dedicated meeting
Yeah.
uh, just to talk with Kiefer. So yes, I guess that's going to be it for this meeting for the next 3 months.
Yep.
Um, yeah, please enjoy your vacation.
Thank you. And uh, good luck to you and everybody, and you all have my best wishes while I'm not here.
Yeah, we need to find out who's going to look into upgrades.
Yeah.
Kinda. Okay. Um, Regarding upstream, is there anything we can discuss which would be interesting for you? Uh, do you have um, um, an opinion regarding parallelizing in of background operations within the SSH orchestrator? Like right now we are using a thread pool,
Yeah.
and we are hard coding that to one thread. And by thread, I mean kernel threads, not green threads.
Mhm.
So we are really kind of limited when it comes to performance of the orchestrator.
Um, So this means that if we need to do things on many hosts, they would happen in sequence rather than in parallel.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And that
Um,
is there are three use cases basically. That's first is day one operations
mhm.
of deploying OSDs. Then we have device ls minus minus refresh, and we have service ls minus minus refresh.
Yeah. Um, Device ls minus minus refresh on any cluster larger than a few nodes is going to be extremely slow if it can't be all done in parallel, I think. Yep.
Well, on the hosts could be done in parallel, can't they?
Maybe they can. Maybe I'm missing something. Um,
So if you're running device ls on one host, that should not really affect other hosts, right?
uh, yeah. Um, um, I don't know. I'm actually just trying it here on my test, on a couple of test VMs, and it's sitting there doing nothing. Damn.
Why limited the thread number to one for performance?
We are limited to only one pool. Hi, Kiefer. Because let me browse GitHub. Is there a faster way to browse GitHub to actually get a link to a file on GitHub without clicking on every damn folder?
Press T. Just type T and search the file you want.
That's great. That's awesome.
I
I love you. I'm sorry. I really missed that feature. That's
learned this
awesome.
trick several days ago.
Okay. Here. That's so awesome. Here, line 191. So there we are reducing the number of actual pools to one. The default is number of CPUs, but that also really doesn't help us in our case because we are not CPU bound, but we are thread bounded basically. So yeah, the simplest idea would just to increase that thread pool count to maybe 10. That would have a 10 times speed boost when it comes to larger clusters. But still, that's if you have 100 nodes, that's still going to be slow.
But do any operations have dependency between each other?
Not for OSD deployment. Each host can do it in parallel, basically. Then we have service ls minus minus refresh, and we have device ls minus minus refresh. All of them can be done in parallel on all hosts simultaneously.
Okay. Well, if they do run on all hosts in parallel simultaneously, then I think we're good. My concern was that maybe that would end up being sequential, and then it would just increase the delay by number of nodes, which would be not so good. But
right now it is sequential.
Yep.
There is actually a project that's aimed at providing that. Parallel SSH. Run SSH commands on many hundreds, thousands number of servers asynchronously and with minimal system load and on the client host. That's
I think we
sounds
used this in the high availability world, or this or something like it, some time ago.
okay.
Yeah, I can't remember the specifics. Krieg might know, maybe. I haven't looked at it for ages.
That sounds like it would instantly solve our performance problems. Parallel SSH. Have a look at
The last commit is in March.
in any way. If it turns out to be abandoned, then we can still make use of it and then maintain it ourselves if it really solves our day one problems.
Hmm.
On the other hand, having a maintained project would be even better. I can't find it on IBS.
There might have been one called PSSH, which was similar. I have a dim memory that there were two similar.
Yes, PSSH. Yeah, that's the other one.
Yeah, I'm not sure if either one is better than the other.
That really sounds like PSSH and parallel SSH is actually the same thing.
Yeah. Well, at least
PSSH
they're
last
solving the
version
same
is
problem.
on February 12, 2012, and the first version of parallel SSH is on December 24, 2012.
Okay, maybe one
And
continues on from the other somehow.
yeah,
Parallel SSH is using G event. Do you like it?
that's green threads.
Yeah, it's coroutine.
Yeah, definitely better than using kernel threads. Much better. And we already have a dependency to green threads somewhere in Ceph. I don't know if it's called Ceph or if it's tautology, but in any case. Okay, I guess we don't need to look at it in detail right now. Kiefer, any update on the dashboard side from your side?
Yeah, the OSD creation PR has been approved and waiting for QA testing.
Okay.
And if it is merged, I will continue working on the preview feature.
Hmm. Okay. Great. Is
And
there?
go,
Yeah.
Volker has the PR for blinking LED lights, but he is waiting for my PR to be merged.
Okay. Here. Is there anything else for today? Three, two, one. Okay, because I don't have anything else for at least this meeting here. Kiefer, the idea was to just stop this meeting until Tim is back.
No problem.
Let's use the dashboard stand-up for synchronizing regarding the orchestrator. Okay. Then, Tim, enjoy your vacation and
Enjoy your leave.
Thanks.
yeah. And Kiefer, have a nice evening.
Have a good day.
Cheers. Take care, guys.
Cheers.
Bye.